Today I will show you how to restore Gmail. First download Thunderbird application and then install and open application. Then click on email. Then skip this. Then enter your existing email username and password and click continue. Wait some time, click down, then click down, then again enter then again sign in Gmail, then allow to access your ID, Gmail ID, then download. Wait some time, then download advanced. Then download advanced and this .xp file to add Thunderbird in advanced section. Then install now. Then restart. Then add local folders. After all, then you can add your file, means mbox file you can import. Just extract this file and open and click on mail, then import this file and you can see this in left side, and all your spam mail and all inbox mail are here.